Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change your primary email on Facebook. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app and navigate to the menu bar. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Under Account Center, click on Personal Details. Scroll down a bit and again click on Personal Details. Tap on Contact Info. To change email, tap on Add New Contact and select Add Email Address. Enter your new email, choose the account, click on Next. Now enter the verification code. After verification, your new email will be added. Once confirmed, go back to the Contact Info section and you will see both the old and new email addresses. Click on the primary email and delete it by clicking Delete Email Address. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.